After this tutorial, you'll never have to put up these crap websites ever again. You'll never have to deal with another mod conflict problem ever again. This has been a solved problem since forever. Let's get into it. We're going to start by navigating to Modlith's website. I will leave a link to this in the description, but this is just an easy to use mod launcher. You don't need to sign up here, that's not important. All you got to do is click Modlith app and then download it for your machine. I have Windows, so I'm going to download it. Here are my downloads folder. I have the Modlith icon here. Go ahead and click it. Hit next. Choose wherever you want to install it. And this process is super quick and easy. Once it's done, hit next again, and then hit finish. It should launch. Now we're in Modlith. I'm going to go ahead and sign out real quick just to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to actually sign in. This is done through Microsoft's official sign-in terminal, or, system, so you're in no danger of anything. I'm going to go ahead and blur out my credentials, but if you have your stuff ready, this isn't sped up, you can literally log in within seconds. It's very quick. Once you're on this screen and all logged in, all you have to do is go to the left-hand side and click on this little plus icon. If you want an easy pre-set up system, just click on the custom packs, and all of these have been made by mod developers and pack developers. These options on screen will be your best bet for a quick and easy and painless user experience, but you have no control over how the experience is set up. Now, for the more adventurous of you, if you go back and hit the green icon up here to go to home, you can create a custom instance. Click that plus icon, custom setup. For your sanity, I recommend customizing your stuff so that way you can identify your mod packs if you like to make a bunch. I went ahead and chose this cute little skull down here. Now, you have the choices of Vanilla, Fabric, Neoforge, Forge, and Quilt. I recommend Fabric and Neoforge because they're where the modding scene is. There is still Forge Quilt support, but they're just not as common. I went ahead and chose a version of Minecraft I liked. You can do whatever you want, and then create your instance. Once you have your instance created, go ahead and hit your Browse Content button there, the green one in the middle. Now, this is Fabric, so you will need to install Fabric API. That's not necessary on Neoforge. And now the world's your oyster. You can go ahead and install whatever you want. Mod compatibility is handled by the mod creator, so as long as you stick to main ones, anything you install should then get all the dependencies you need. You don't really need to worry too much about it. Here I go ahead and decide to demonstrate that by typing in a mod I know has a dependency. My mod, one void. This will install architecture, and in just a second you'll see, boom, even though I didn't install it, Modlith went ahead and grabbed that because I set that up as a dependency. Now, before I forget, you can also download resource packs, data packs, and shaders. All of these are compatible with whatever version you picked. All of this is set up by mod creators and shader pack creators and data pack creators. It's all done for you. It's very easy. Oh my god, so much better than the bad old days. Here we are in Minecraft, just showing off that it's installed, shaders, one block mod, all works. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please sub. I plan on making more videos like this.